Savory or sweet, fondue is a crowd pleaser. It's a delicious and interactive meal that makes for a great night for adults and kids alike. In its simplest form, a fondue pot is a vessel that sits atop a direct heat source, either a heating element, the kind you would plug in, or an open flame, like a tea light or a fuel burner. It keeps your gooey cheese or creamy chocolate warm and melty and ready for dipping. While cheese and chocolate are the most common uses, a fondue set can also be used for heating broth or oil to cook meat. The experts in the Good Housekeeping Institute Kitchen Appliances and Innovation Lab test all kinds of cooking appliances, from instant pots to air fryers, and we used our product expertise and cooking backgrounds when selecting fondue pots. The lab's director, Nicole Papantoniou, recommends that you consider the following factors when picking the finest fondue pot for your feet: heating style, electric versus manual, material, stainless steel, ceramic or enameled cast iron, and size, individual or up to 3 quarts. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Nostalgia Stainless Steel Electric Fondue Pot. The affordable price is undoubtedly a reason this is the best-selling fondue pot on Amazon. But the deep, 6-cup stainless steel pot and color-coded forks also help make it a good choice for gatherings of up to 6 people. We have not yet tested it in the lab, but we appreciate that the handles are designed to stay cool. According to Amazon reviews, many users like the nuanced electric control that lets you make large and small adjustments to keep the fondue melted just right, but some noted that even the lowest heat may be too hot for certain recipes. Number 2. STAUB Mini Chocolate Fondue Set. STAUB is known for its cast iron cookware, including one of our picks for the best Dutch oven. And this 1-cup cast iron fondue pot is said to be made with the company's same quality materials. It comes with a tea light for keeping things warm, but it's suitable for use on your stovetop or induction burner, a nice way to jumpstart your fondue before transferring to the stand, and it's also oven safe up to 500F. The biggest surprise is that the brand says it's dishwasher safe. Cast iron is good at retaining heat, so it will hold your temperature well, which is great for a full pot of chocolate or cheese, but it could lead to scorching toward the end of smaller batches, as it can be harder to adjust the heat. Number 3. SWISSMAR Lugano 9-piece cast iron fondue set. This gorgeous enameled cast iron pot comes with a wrought iron stand suitable for a cozy date night or a fancy party. While we have not yet tested this pot in our lab, it caught our experts' attention because it can be used on any heat source. It comes with a burner for gel fuel, which you'll need to purchase separately, but you can easily switch to an electric burner or even your stovetop if you choose. The 2-quart capacity and 6 forks mean it works for a small party. Number 4. BOSKA Tea Light Toppers Fondue Set. This adorable 7-ounce ceramic fondue pot is a breeze to use for a decadent snack. Spend your time choosing the wine or music, because you can just melt your cheese or chocolate in the microwave and then keep it warm over a tea light. You'll also keep date night moving along by skipping the hand washing. This pot is dishwasher safe. Number 5. CUISINART 3-quart electric fondue set. CUISINART's products have generally performed well in our lab tests, so, while we have not yet tested this fondue pot, we feel confident recommending it based on its helpful features. This electric fondue pot holds up to 3 quarts, and the bowl has a wide enough opening to let everyone dip without fighting for space. It also comes with a notched fork rack to keep the 8 color-coded forks upright and separated, a boon for keeping track of whose is whose at a party. We like that it functions via a temperature probe that lets you choose from 8 settings, meaning you can set it to high to get your broth boiling to cook meat or slowly reduce the heat over the course of the evening if you're serving cheese or chocolate fondue. This can help to prevent scorching. As the volume in the pot gets lower thanks to dipping, you'll want to dial down the heat.